So hello guys, this is Teacher Jor once again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now for today's video, we will talk about one of the famous topics in mathematics, which is the Fibonacci sequence. Now maybe some of you are already familiar with this concept, but I know that there are some who are not yet familiar with the Fibonacci sequence. So if you want to learn more about this concept, please feel free to watch this video. Alright, now let's start. Fibonacci sequence was discovered by an Italian mathematician Leonardo Pisano Bugoglio of Pisa. So this is a photo of Leonardo. His nickname was Fibonacci, which roughly means son of Bonacci. Okay, now when you are asked what is Fibonacci, then that simply means son of Bonacci. And November 23 is a Fibonacci day. So let's find out later on why is it that November 23 is considered a Fibonacci day. Now, the Fibonacci sequence goes like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, and 89. Okay, now earlier we found out that November 23 is the Fibonacci day, right? Now why is it? If we try to look at the first four non-zero numbers of the sequence, so we have 1, 1, 2, 3, or 11, 23, this corresponds to November 23, right? Okay, so that is why November 23 is a Fibonacci day. Now, in the Fibonacci sequence, every number after the first two is the sum of the two preceding ones. Okay, now like for example, we have here 0, 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. So on and so forth. Okay, that is how simple Fibonacci sequence is. Now, if you try to think this, like for example guys, if you are asked what is the 99th term in the Fibonacci sequence, do you think it is still practical to like add the 97th and 98th terms in the sequence so that you can get the 99th term? It is somehow impractical, right? So that is why there is this person who discovered a non-recursive formula to determine the nth value in the Fibonacci sequence, and that was Jacques Binet in 1843. And when we say non-recursive formula, it is a formula for a sequence that does not itself depend in any terms in the sequence. So in other words, the only variable that we need to plug in is the index of the sequence. And here in the given formula, that is denoted by small letter n. Okay? So again, the Binet formula is given by f of n is equal to 1 over the square root of 5 times the quantity of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 raised to n minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2 raised to n. Okay, now like for example, if you are asked what is the 99th term in the Fibonacci sequence, we simply have to change this n to 99. Okay, so let's have an example of this. Like for example, if you are asked to find the 14th term in the Fibonacci sequence using the Binet formula. So first, of course, the Binet formula is given by this. Okay, next, let's plug in 14 to n. Okay, meaning to say we have to change this n to 14. So we will have this. we have 1 over square root of 5 times the quantity of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 raised to 14 minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2 raised to 14. Okay, next step, we have to solve for this and this. Okay, now we will have this 1 over square root of 5 times 842.998 minus 0.0011. Okay, next step, we have to subtract this. So we will have this 1 over square root of 5 times 842.9969. And lastly, we have to multiply this. And we will have 376.999, or approximately that is 377. Okay? So meaning to say, the 14th term in the Fibonacci sequence is 377. Okay, so that is all for this video. So if you guys think that this video helped you to better understand the Fibonacci sequence, please don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe, of course. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be updated on my next videos. So that is all for this video, and see you soon on my next videos.